Hello and welcome to BioCode. In this video, we will see how we can utilize sequence record or the ability to demonstrate the representation of FASTA file in BioPython. For example, in previous video, we saw how we can create sequence records and how we can manipulate their properties to access their values or assign values. For example, sequence, ID, name, description, annotations, letter annotations, and features. So whenever you will learn sequence IO, you must be thinking what is sequence IO. Sequence IO is another module that is provided by Python, but you will learn in the next videos. You will not learn that over here because of the fact that it is a more advanced topic. But to provide you context that this is a sequence record of a FASTA file, but it is just as representation as in our previous video. We retrieved the sequence, and it belongs to chicken. It has a name of TNFS F11, and you can see that it is a just representation of that. So it is a FASTA file named as sequence.fasta, and just to demonstrate it to you that whenever you parse a particular file within BioPython or within Python, it could be FASTA, it could be GenBank, it could be any other biological data type file. It is converted into a sequence record. So whenever you read a particular file through sequence IO within BioPython, it gets converted into sequence record. So that means now we can utilize the same properties as sequence record that we learned in the previous video, that we can assign or retrieve values, right? So we can retrieve values from sequence ID, name, description, annotation. So you must be thinking that this particular file do not have any features, do not have any annotation. So will it display? No, it will not, because a particular FASTA file always has an ID, description, and the sequence itself. So it will not have any of these informations. So let's run it. Let's understand this particular short video. And once I've executed the code and there seems to be an error, let's see what is the error. Okay, so I seem to understand that. Basically, I have retrieved this sequence, and then it is present in my directory. So I'm not actually providing the direct access to this file. So it is in the directory where my script is. I actually mistyped the file name exactly. So this is the file that is actually sequence.fasta, and then we are actually going to read it. You don't need to understand this particular function. You will be able to learn in the next videos. Don't worry about this, but just figure out the scenario over here. So let's run our code again, and now